everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Jessica. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to try on a lot of lip shades. Stilazzi just released 5 new lip collections and I will be trying on every single shade. So before we get started, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. But without further ado, we're going to get started. So Stilazzi came out with 5 new lip collections ranging from different shades and finishes. So they have the lip cream and the lip matte, which are more of your traditional lip bullets, and then the lip finish, the lip sheer, and the lip vinyl. So we have our lip sheers, which are, the boxes are so pretty. I opened some of them. There's 7 total. So for example, this is the darkest shade. This is Wild Child. They're more of like a bitten, more natural kind of like lip stain. It's not drying, it's more creamy. It's like if a lipstick and a gloss had a baby. So I'm gonna do the darkest shade and the lightest shade. So you can see that this is just like, it's not a full-on lipstick. It has like a sheen to it, which I really like this for like everyday more looks. Like if, you know, if you're going to an office, you're working, those aren't so in your face and those are really pretty and very moisturizing. So that's your lip finish. We have your more traditional lipsticks, which is the lip cream and the lip matte. So these two have the exact same 10 shades, except the finish is just different. So cream is more of your creamier lipstick that's very vibrant and very moisturizing. And then the lip matte, same exact shades. It's a matte, like a pillow matte finish, and they're just matte. They're very pretty shades. I will swatch those, you will see those. And then our other two, they're a gloss. So we have the lip finish and the lip vinyl. Lip finish is super pretty. They're just gloss with glitter flecks. So this is shade Pink Sand. So it has like a really pretty glitter flecks. I will show you all 3. There's a total of 3 of these shades. And then we have the lip vinyl. Those are really pretty. These are actually my favorite because they have so much color to them and they're a gloss. You literally only need 1 swipe and it packs a lot. So I'm gonna actually show you one of the brighter shades in this collection. I'm gonna do Whiskey Bent. So this is a nice mauvey pink and I love the casing for it. Let me show you guys with 1 swipe. You see how pigmented and opaque that is? And it's super glossy. It honestly stays on for a really long time. Like I can put this on, have a full meal, and the shade is still on my lips and it's not oily to the point where it starts running, because I know sometimes glosses have that. This is probably the same exact color as my shirt actually. Anyway, sometimes gloss just runs and this stays in place. So that's definitely one of my favorite finishes, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna start off with the lip finish and then I will put on the screen exactly which finish and shades I will be trying on. there you have it. I tried on every single lip shade in all 5 lip collections of Stilazzi. So you'll find all of these shades on the website. And it's pretty cool because what more can you need? You have every single lip finish and every single shade. You have your pinkiest nudes to your deepest plum reds, which I absolutely love, and it's everything I need. So if you guys do happen to shop on Stilazzi, make sure you use code Jessica at checkout for 20% off. But yeah, they have other products too that are amazing. One thing that I really love for them right now is the Bahamas blush palettes. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Especially, I say this in every single video, if you made it this far, you might as well subscribe. But again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you next time.